To add, I forgot to tell you, I was calling this watch the Mandalorian after watching that series, but yeah, it's Boba Fett. So the watch name is Boba Fett. So pardon me if I am speaking the Mandalorian in the video, but the watch name is Fossil Boba Fett watch. Fossil automatic watch. This is a Mandalorian watch. Let's see. I wore it one time, then I kept it back because I thought it might be collectible, it might have some value. But now I'm going to start wearing it because I really like the leather strap watches, and this is a leather strap. So let's see. Join the dark side. 40 years, Return of the Jedi. The symbol looks good. Limited edition. And this as well. Okay, inside. Fossil booklets. This, I really like these. It looks very beautiful. Oh, this has something. What is this? Okay, it has some warranty. How to use it. Distress, battle worn, look over time. Yeah, it's little worn watch, I know that. Certificate of authenticity. Good. So let me take this out. Let's see what sound this watch makes. Okay, nice. So this has the logo of Mandalorian. Okay. And this pin is okay, you can take it out. It's nice, very nicely engraved. World premiere, Return of Jedi 1983. Fossil has done a beautiful work here. Actually, I wanted to buy the Wolverine watch, but that's yellow color and I can't wear it in office. It looks very funky. Spider-Man watch is good. I think Fossil, what I'm talking about is Fossil, this Marvel collection which came recently. So I'm looking for that watch. Okay, I think it's battery operated. Yeah, you see some sound it's making. I think battery is gone. I don't think you can replace as well. It has written Star Wars, that character. Okay, some problem with the box. Okay, I think I have to keep it like this. Okay, so this is the watch. Okay, it's not coming out. One moment. Okay. So okay, this is a beautiful watch actually, you see. Okay, it has a battle, like the certificate was saying, worn out kind of thing. The design is little worn out and I really like this red color thing here. It looks really cool. Let me open it. Okay, so this is how the watch looks like. It's red color. It's actually dark red. I don't know mobile camera how it's coming. It's automatic watch, and this one is better in seeing the time actually. Like Darth Vader watch, I wasn't able to see where is second, but here I can see, but I don't see. Okay, this also has a 24-hour one, and this is the hour, this is the minute, and automatic 21 jewels, fossil, and this. And I really like the design which says it's worn out, you can see. And I really like these holes as well, like compared to normal fossil watches. Like, let me show you this one, the skeleton one. It's actually same like I told earlier, just on top of that this Mandalorian, this thing is done. So but here if you see the holes, right, the holes are normal. This also is leather, so with wearing these holes will get bigger. And okay, but this one, okay, back side it's same, but front side with a cloth material, right, they have like gave a good finishing. And is it leather? Let me confirm. Fossil leather, I don't know. Here it looks more like a cloth, but yeah, backside it's leather. So the symbol is same what we have here, and this is a limited edition. Okay, this, let me close this box. This is 1355. Okay, so it's written 1355 of 1983. So that's the number out of 1983 limited edition watches. Let me remove it. Okay, so finishing is good. What is this? Is this intentionally done? Like the color? Yes, it's intentionally done. Like to give a worn off feeling. Okay, automatic one is removed. That is good. Okay, now we can see. So this is the second. See, second is moving. This is the hour. We move 5 6. Okay, and both time you can see the 24 hours. See, it's 3, so it's at 24 hour is at 15, and this is at 3 2 12 10. Okay, so it gives a 24-hour format as well. It has the shape like based on Star Wars, so it has the complete package how a Star Wars franchisee should look like. And it's little heavy, I would tell you. It's not a light watch. It's like compared to this one, right? This is a light watch. This one may be due to 21 jewel or whatever, I don't know, but it's little heavy on the hand. Okay, so I have removed the label because I'm planning to wear it from tomorrow. There is a Comic Con here, so I'm going to that Comic Con. So it was priced at 28,000, but I think this one I got a good discount at Fossil website for 16,000 rupees. So it was a steal deal. So this is how it looks in hand. Actually this red color is pretty cool. I really like it. And it's like army green color. And this side it's yellow. Overall good. I like this watch because it's a leather watch and I prefer leather watches. So yeah, a good watch. Only problem since it's leather, so I think with time it will be little worn off. So that will make it more beautiful. So yeah, overall a good watch.